Hi, I'm Erica Rivas and welcome to 2782 Woodland Road. Come join me on a tour of this beautiful home. This two-story craftsman-inspired home was built in 1989 and is located in a beautiful Northeast Pasadena neighborhood. As you enter this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, you will be captivated by the high ceilings and open feel of the downstairs living areas. The family room has been enhanced as a home theater room with built-in ceiling, surround sound speakers, and a motorized projection screen. The kitchen has Caesar stone countertops and custom cabinetry with natural light that filters in from the backyard. The backyard has gorgeous, mature landscaping and a patio area. The master bedroom suite has double doors that lead you to a private sanctuary with high ceilings, a walk-in closet, and a steam shower in the master bathroom. The 2 additional bedrooms have great mountain views and share a beautifully remodeled bathroom off the hallway. Additional features include a 2-car attached garage, recessed lighting, central air and heat, an alarm system, an HD Ring doorbell, and hardwood floors. Thanks for joining me on a tour of this beautiful home. If you'd like some more information, you can contact our real estate team, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media at Ramiro and Erica.